A clause is basic unit of English grammar. Today I am going to teach you clauses. You will learn here clauses means क्या होता है, types of clauses कौन से होते हैं, identifying the sentences and uses of clauses. A clause is comprised of a group of words that includes a subject and a finite verb. A clause contains only one subject and one verb. The subject of a clause can be mentioned or hidden, but the verb must be apparent and distinguishable. We'll see some examples. 1. Ram is intelligent. Sentence with one clause. Ram is intelligent but he is weak at 2. Sentence with two clauses. 3. Ram is intelligent but he is weak at 2, so you need to be careful. Sentence with 3 clauses. 4. Ram is intelligent but he is weak at 2, so you need to be careful when you are with him. Sentence with 4 clauses. We'll see now types of clauses. There are 2 types of clauses. Principal, that is known as a main clause or independent clause, and second one type of clause is subordinate, that is known as a dependent clause. So principal clause. Principal clause is a clause that can work alone as a complete sentence. For example, I saw a man who was blind. Here, I saw a man is a complete sentence with subject, verb and object. Subordinate clause. A subordinate clause is a clause that depends upon at least one principal clause to work as a complete sentence. For example, I saw a man who was blind. Who was blind is subordinate clause which is dependent on the main clause I saw a man, which is incomplete in its sense. See here solve example. 1. I lost all that I had. I lost all, that is principal clause, while that I had is subordinate clause. Second, if you go there, you will find him. You will find him is principal clause. If you go there is subordinate clause. Third, your pen is better than mine. Your pen is better is a principal clause, while than mine is subordinate clause. 4. Come as soon as you can. You come is a principal clause. As soon as you can is a subordinate clause. So here this is how we can identify principal clause and subordinate clause. Next example, he as well as I to blame. He is to blame, principal clause. I am to blame is also principal clause. Next, there is truth in what you say. There is truth in it is a principal clause. What you say is subordinate clause. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. We'll meet you soon.